Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying compatibility. Not all iPhones support boot exploits, so check your model now. Once confirmed, back up everything through Finder or iTunes and turn off the passcode and Find My to avoid blocks. Next, download a trusted jailbreak like Chekra 1N and the Android on iPhone image from Project Sandcastle or similar projects, and connect your device to your computer with a reliable USB cable. Make sure your machine has terminal access and required drivers before moving forward. Once the device is ready, put it into DFU mode with the correct key sequence and run Chekra 1N to exploit the boot chain. This gives you temporary kernel access without permanent NAND changes. Then, transfer the Android boot image, kernel, and any vendor blobs to the phone using SCP or the project's USB tool. Run the project loader script, which boots Android from RAM. You want a non-destructive RAM boot first, so you can test functionality without altering firmware permanently. After the loader boots Android, walk through initial setup and immediately test Wi-Fi, touchscreen, audio, and Bluetooth to confirm core functionality. Keep in mind why some subsystems often fail. Cellular baseband, advanced camera features, and power management usually remain unsupported because those drivers are proprietary. If Android is unstable or the device won't boot later, return to DFU and restore the official IPSWA via Finder or iTunes to recover. This is your key troubleshooting tip. Always.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.